I closed my channel, not planned. Okay, this is behind the scenes, like my YouTube, TikTok and Instagram profile pictures. If the mouse wants to run on it, that's fine. They are behind there, but not in the house. Fix my YouTube channel, my other old iPhone. This I connect directly with this camera so I can see. I put it here on the side on this and I was touching on it. It was on timer and I was doing my thing like so. Super easy. I'm all about sharing the outfits. Whatever I'm wearing, they're mostly in my selling business thing. So if you are in Estonia, you can check these out. Also, I want to just find more Estonian YouTubers or like who are making videos. That would be amazing actually, maybe to collab or something on it. Going through many updates on my YouTube. As you notice, I closed my channel for a second and literally 24 hours I opened it again, and hopefully IT people can fix the channel because there's something dodgy going on. But I was actually excited to make the new channel as well, but that's gonna be too difficult. Like I already have my besties here on this channel, so hopefully we can make it work. Hopefully I can fix it. Maybe I have to take some old videos down, that's fine. So many great videos are coming, but yeah, me and you, we have to chat in the comments what time, what day, what type of videos you want to see more from me, because I'm just multitasking and I'm actually excited to try something new as well. So maybe we can try something totally different. This is the behind the scenes of the creativity, how you... Okay. Not plan when you are doing something, especially filming videos or taking pictures. Construction going on the side and I was in this corner taking my pictures because like why not? The feeling goes that you want to do something, it goes. Blow up doll lips, which I'm obsessed with, but you know that. And I was also using these tripods, but I figured that I'm actually missing one more tripod where I can just put my, what's it called, phone on it as well. So that's a new light which I am using. You can see this light is so great. Example, if I put it off, that's how my video would look like. My video would look like totally amber. I'm obsessed with this. It's, as you can see, really good light. At the same time, I don't want to sell these shirts. They're like cute to wear. But that is...
Okay, let's come now. You're gonna go first.
No, you're going first. Because
no,
then you don't have to flip it. TikToky tripod. This is super great. I've just literally put light on it, but now the light is on top of my camera. Really wearing 3 shirts on at the moment. Necklaces, lots of necklaces, but yeah, I have one shirt here, I have one shirt here and one shirt here, and I'm loving the blue. I don't know, like I didn't get the blue vibes before, but now I'm loving the blue. Cheap type of slides, 3 shirts, men's shirts, and I like to style it like this. Like 2 hands in here, and the other one is shorter so it's underneath, but basically this with pajamas, and that's how my picture came together. And mess, but yeah, fixing this side. There was a door, but we are closing it off obviously because it's cold, and actually you don't know if we're gonna walk from there or not. So new things are coming. I hope, fingers crossed, that I can fix my YouTube channel. That I do need some younger person than me who is getting the social media and also the IT side of it, so I can just focus on my filming. And the person, when I gonna upload to YouTube, gonna just add all the necessary tags, whatever stuff needed, or correct titles, because my channel is literally shadow banned. So if you are seeing this video right now, please subscribe, watch my videos, and comment, and also put the post notification, because if I upload my video and you are a fan and you are not watching it on the time when I'm uploading it, it also shows YouTube that my video is not good enough and nobody's watching it, like my subscribers are not watching it. So I think we should comment, have a little discussion in comments what time I should post videos that it suits everyone, including me posting them up on time. But the main thing that you can just see it on time, because no one wants to just upload videos and there's like 0 views. You know what I mean? So that's a goal at the moment. Lots of updates. Go and check out my new profile picture and let me know what you think. And I will finish here with a little vlog. I just wanted to come here and let you know what's going on. I'm literally just grasping different things what to do here. Make sure to subscribe, be my bestie here. Forget about the previous video where I said I'm leaving YouTube. I'm still on YouTube. I was just trying to figure out my channel. So I hope you can just share love in here. That's gonna also show me that actually you care. You know? Bye guys. See you next time.